Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Samsung A56. Unlock it and navigate to the exact app or screen you need. Make sure your hand won't block buttons. Remove a tight case if needed. Once done, confirm Do Not Disturb won't hide notifications you want in the shot. If you plan to use gestures, check Settings Advanced Features Motions and Gestures to enable palm swipe. This gets everything ready, so your first physical or software-triggered capture succeeds without interruptions. Now take the screenshot. Press volume down and power together for about half a second. Release when the screen flashes. That quick simultaneous press is reliable. Alternatively, if you enabled palm swipe, place the side of your hand at the screen edge and sweep horizontally. It's gentler and works with one hand. After capture, you'll see a small toolbar with crop, edit, and share buttons. Use those to refine or send the image immediately. Practice once for timing. Finish by managing the file. Open Gallery and go to Screenshots to crop, annotate, or share. Long press a thumbnail to select multiple captures for batch delete or share. Use the built-in editor for quick markup. If a screenshot doesn't register, make sure motion gestures are enabled or try the button combo again. Restart the phone if it still fails. Also check that a case isn't preventing button contact. These steps ensure you capture, refine, and recover from common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.